Well, the awesome neighbor is going to come over this morning with his tractor, and we're going to try to level out the area with the pad where the concrete pad's going to go for working on buses down there. And then we're going to also try to work on this road up here too, where it turns left and heads back towards the septic tank. So we got a lot of things planned here, and it's amazing that they're willing to come out and help us with that too. And he said he's going to leave the tractor here with me where I can use it too, which is awesome. Let me borrow his tractor. That's pretty awesome. So we're going to have a fun-filled day today.
It's full.
Okay.
Just gonna dump it up here farther?
What?
Just gonna dump it up here farther for now?
I'm trying to think where I want it.
careful. Come back, Scott. Be careful, Scott, no! Scott!
Where's that stump at? The three of them that come straight back?
Yeah. Almost. Yay! That's what I was gonna say.
I think we did it pretty good. So there's where the concrete pad's gonna go. The cutout there is what, like 18 by 55 maybe, and then so we left room to get our forms in and everything. It's gonna be 15 by 45 is gonna be the pad. Should look good down there. So I cut this road out pretty good today. It used to pitch the opposite way here. It was, well, you'll see where we cut it. So I removed the material from this side and deposited it over here because it was low here and way high here. But we took out about a 2-foot berm there where it was, you know, would cause the bus to roll real hard. And then we cut down some trees. The neighbor came over and helped out with the chainsaw. Well, he didn't help out. He used the chainsaw. I helped out by watching, but so we smoothed this out. We filled in most of the holes where all the big tree stumps that we pulled out. We pulled out this stump today. It's kind of in the road. Cut down that big tree. That's where it's at now. The shop entrance is going to be over here, so all these trees will have to be removed soon. But now we got a road that comes into the septic tank. So we're gonna put some, I think we're gonna go ahead and put the fabric stuff down here and then put gravel on top of it so that it packs in real tight. This is not chert. The rest of our drive and everything is all chert. This is just topsoil clay. It's a little bit squishier. But then we'll be able to bring the bus back here. And then if I just run an extra long dump out tube, a drain pipe, I'll bring it along the side and then we can bring the bus up here. But the bus right now would make it. I think that we got the grade good enough. We gotta get rid of a few trees still. These little sticks and roots that are coming out. We got a lot done today. I'm so thankful that our neighbor let us borrow that tractor. And that he let me use it. So I didn't have to keep, tie up all of his time. But I think that was super nice of him to let us borrow it in the first place, or even offer to come over and use it for us. But I'm very, very thankful. Told you we got the best neighbors in the world. So yeah, I widened this corner out. I moved it out about, I don't know, probably 6-7 feet to the side there, so that it's gonna be easier to make the swing with the bus. That concrete, the septic tank delivery guy had a little rough time getting around that corner. But having this be super high and pitching over the opposite bank angle was rough. A few loads of gravel, I think we'll be good.
See him loading up his tools, check the air and all those duels. It's that bus grease monkey, don't you know? Well, he's got a long hard ride in that pre-war silver sides. Get that bus grease monkey on the road. Well, he's got that hammer down and that 47 Hound. It's that bus grease monkey on the road. He travels all around and he's coming to your town. Get that bus grease monkey down the road. See that 4104 with the propped up engine door. Watch that bus grease monkey do his thing. 30 years behind that barn, 'cause it don't run worth a darn. Watch that bus grease monkey make it sing. He knows in Detroit there's no doubt, upside down and inside out. It's that bus grease monkey, don't you know? Saving buses far and wide in that old blue silver sides. It's that bus grease monkey, don't you know? It's that bus grease monkey, don't you know? Get that bus grease monkey down the road. It's that bus grease monkey, don't you know? It's that bus grease monkey, don't you know? It's that bus grease monkey, don't you know?